Rajat, your recommendations for today and an update on a brilliant call that you gave yesterday, Gati. It rallied quite a bit in yesterday's trade post your recommendation. What do you do with that one now?
Gati, if you look at the chart, Neeraj, you would find that it has formed a base for a couple of months or even more, and after that it has started moving. So chances are that Gati is on a recovery trail and it would really do well. My suggestion is that those who are short-term traders can look forward to levels like 46 to about 48 to book profits, but those who are willing to invest in the stock at least can think of a level of 65, and even long-term investor can stay put in Gati because this is bottoming out. I mean, you do not have much of a downside risk and you are going to see good times going forward. So that is the kind of thing. And similar story I have found in Dishman Pharma. This is another stock that is forming a bottom. In my view, it is going to be a long-term bottom. So what I'm suggesting is a day trade, that I'm looking at Dishman Pharma going up to something like 67, 68 on the upside and putting a stop loss below 61.90. But my senses are telling me and the charts are suggesting that Dishman Pharma, if you hold it for about a year or so, it can move up much further, give you more than 100% gains from the current level. So Dishman Pharma is a good stock, both from the perspective of say short-term intraday trade as well as from a longer-term perspective. And the other stock is also a pharma stock, but there I have a very close target already rallying, Glenmark Pharma. Glenmark, I've kept a target of 374 for the simple reason that this doesn't seem to cross 374 to 376, gets some kind of supply pressure and comes down. So it is worth keeping a target of around 374, put a stop loss below 366.90 was my initial stop loss, but now I would put that stop loss at around 367.90. That's about it, and chances are you would see Glenmark meeting the target before it hits the stop loss.